Welcome to the Tom's Hardware Show. Today, I am bringing you news on the upcoming 2 nanometers class process technologies revealed by the world's largest foundry, TSMC. These technologies promise to reduce power consumption and increase transistor density while providing some major performance benefits. Let's take a look at what TSMC is planning to bring us in the near future. The first node that I want to talk about is N2. It's expected to enter high volume production in 2025, and it is set to introduce gate-all-around nanosheet transistors. These transistors promise to boost performance by 10 to 15%, reduce power consumption by 25 to 30%, and increase chip density by 15%. In addition, TSMC says that their average yield for a 256 megabits SRAM test IC exceeds 50%. That's very impressive. The next node I want to discuss is N2P. It's a second generation 2 nanometers class process, and it's expected to be production ready in 2026. What makes this node different is that it introduces backside power delivery network, which is designed to increase transistor performance, lower power consumption, and increase transistor density. It also eliminates potential interference between data and power wires in the chip. This makes it a much better choice than N2 in terms of performance efficiency and transistor density. Finally, let's talk about N2X. This fabrication process is designed for high-performance computing applications such as high-end data center CPUs. It's expected to be production ready in 2026, and it is able to support high voltages and currents. It is believed that N2X will provide a very significant performance and efficiency boost over N2 and N2P. So there you have it, TSMC is pushing the boundaries of technology once again with the upcoming 2 nanometers class process technologies. They are set to deliver major improvements to transistor performance, power consumption, and transistor density, with the added benefits of reduced interference. Keep an eye out for the first chips made on these processes coming in 2026 to 2027.